All right, shifting focus, a big breaking news now coming in. Tamil Nadu State Marketing Corporation has moved the Madras High Court seeking to restrain the Enforcement Directorate from investigating the alleged liquor scam in the corporation. In fact, the High Court has given some sort of a relief to TASMAC is what we have been given to understand. The High Court pauses probe in the ED probe on TASMAC. High Court has asked ED to file response on the matter. So that's the big update that we have received here in this particular case. The High Court has given a relief to TASMAC. High Court, in fact, has paused the probe in the ED probe which was going on in this TASMAC issue. My colleague Gautam is joining us on the broadcast live. Gautam, please walk us through the big details, some sort of a relief coming in from TASMAC in this particular issue. What's next?
Absolutely, Sakshi. So the Madras High Court has just now restrained the ED from proceeding any further in the alleged money laundering case that has been registered against the TASMAC here. Now, what we understand is the kind of arguments that have been made in this particular case. It basically talks about. Let me just pull up the arguments that have just come in here in this particular case as well. So the allegations that were made here is that the ED had not properly conduct the investigation into this matter, and the way the probe was done as well. The Home Secretary Dheeraj and TASMAC Managing Director Visakan. These were the two petitions that were crucially the main petitions that were taken up by the Madras High Court, and they have agreed that there seems to be the manner in which the searches and the probe was conducted was arbitrary, and it may have been high-handed as well. Now, what we also understand is that the judges have asked if there are CCTV recordings to show that the TASMAC officials, including women, were detained for about 60 hours and allowed to go home after 6 hours during the night hours. Because keep in mind that the ED raids had gone on for more than 24 hours, so approximately 48 hours. So the judges have also questioned this as well, and the judges have also questioned the maintainability of the writ petition as well. So while giving relief for TASMAC, they have also questioned the T and Tamil Nadu government, and they have sought a declaration from them that how can you say that ED cannot conduct an investigation in this regard as well, and they've said that. Also saying that why was the ED how did the ED basically conduct the investigation without state government's consent? And they've also asked the Advocate General to amend his petition in this case as well. And they have further adjourned this case. Now, keep in mind that the whole case revolves around 1,000 crores of basically illegal transactions that took place between distilleries and TASMAC, which is basically state-owned liquor units as well. Now, in this, the ED had basically alleged that during their search and seizure operations that were carried out, they had unearthed a major scam. But so far, the way the ED went about this without the state government's consent, that has become the problem. And now the judges have also asked that we will have to look into this further. And while the ED may have power to search, the problem here is the way the power was exercised. That is what the Madras High Court has spoken about. And it also says that the TASMAC officials who defended themselves have said that a copy of search authorization was issued by the ED, and this was given to the TASMAC officials as well. But the judges are saying that why has it, if when an ED comes to conduct a probe, why is the state government not informed? Because that is the normal process as well. Now the judges have issued an oral order in this regard as well, and we'll have to see that what will happen next. But mean it's a relief in the form for now that no coercive steps are going to be taken in this regard right now, Sakshi.